From a plank position, raise your hips up toward the ceiling so your body is in an inverted V shape. Step your right foot between your hands. If it doesn't reach, use your hands to position it. Lift your torso as you raise your arms over your head with your palms facing each other. Look up at your hands. Keep your right knee bent 90 degrees. Don't let your knee shift forward. Align it over your ankle. Breathe deeply. Reach your fingers up and draw your tailbone down. Repeat on the opposite side.